this weld here. Just fly over to the other side. So it pops out there, all the way over to here. So it looks like this rear quarter has also been replaced at one stage. Alright, so it's Monday, and over the weekend Ivor did a little bit more work while I wasn't here. So he puttied the doors. They look pretty nice. Just had to do a little spot fill with the 2K in a couple spots. He also took the front guards off and did a little bit of repair on the bonnet. And a couple more repairs. Just, you know, spot fill and sand on the rear quarter here. And the rest of it looks the same as it did on Friday. It's all looking pretty good. So today I'm going to be rubbing the back bumper as well as all these plastic bits. So we're having a bit of trouble trying to find another one of these, because this is the one off the driver's side, but the one off the passenger side is gone. And also the front bumper is pretty badly damaged, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to find another standard one, so I might have to buy one. I'm thinking about just going for a Redox knockoff on eBay. It's about $300. Looks alright, should get us out of trouble, and later on I can find a standard one, like Ivor's nice standard one there, and get a lip and throw it onto my car. But for now, we're just doing this.
We're not trying today. We have 2 hours to now, and 2 hours to spray. I'll be into the rain.
So I was going to mask it all up, spray it tomorrow morning, just the back half, and then all we've got is the bonnet left to do, because the doors have already been puttied and so have the guards, and the rear bumper, and I need to source a new front bumper because that one's too damaged, and then these trim pieces that I did today. So once all that's done, it's back to more rubbing.
It's too chilly.
Yeah.
You gotta leave it at least. I know it's too.
Alright, so I sprayed these yesterday when I wasn't here. Man, they look good. The colour is slightly different, so this is the colour that was on the car, and this is the new colour we got. So you can see this colour is slightly darker than the new colour, because it's very hard to obviously colour match stuff that is old, but I'm really happy with it. It sort of pops more than the old colour does. This is much darker and sort of flatter, whereas this is very vibrant. So I think it looks really good. So we haven't sprayed the whole car yet, it's still covered up, but hopefully in the next couple of days, now that we've got some nice sunny weather, should be able to hit it.
Yeah, it's all straightforward, but I mean, it's just going to take us a bit of time.
Yeah.
The way I look at it, Jamie, this is where we don't rush.
Yep.
Take our time, get it right, as clean as we can.
So today we've slammed this Suzuki Sierra